even need this stuff?
Yes. More.
There is no space for this. And are people even buying it?
Yes.
Are they?
Yes.
You're lying.
Hey guys. I just wanted to say thank you for your support, and I want to share with you. I want you to see what happens with your money when you support me. And you buy a frame off me, or you buy a drone off me, or you toss me a super chat or something, or you use my affiliate links. None of that money really goes to me. I don't spend any of it on myself. I've spent basically the last 3 years and probably about 20K of my own money to get my little drone business to a point where now it's finally even. So it took 3 years to get to the point where now I don't really have to pay for anything, because everything that you guys give to me, everything you buy off me, it goes all back into making it better, testing more things, having good products, because I don't want to sell you anything unless I would use it myself. So I've always kind of done it that way. I've never wanted to have a shop where I have everything for you to buy. If I'm going to sell you a 5-inch, I want it to be the 5-inch that I would recommend flying, that I'm flying myself. If I sell you a Whoop or anything that I promote, I want it to be stuff that I would use myself. And in that way, I don't feel bad using affiliate links, or I don't feel bad selling anything, because I know that these are products that I like and trust. I want to just share with you another good reason to support me, because in a whole 2 years of affiliate sales on Amazon, I've been able to get a Wi-Fi charger, and now we got this was like a $50, by the time it came to Canada and everything, this is a $70 Kester solder. So now when I'm building stuff, I'm using like the best solder, or is it the best? When I use this, is it gonna melt and be shiny and be amazing compared to what I was using before? Already it looks like it's thinner. I want it to be thicker. Whatever, right? We're gonna test it out and see if it's the best. And if it's the best, then I'll recommend it to you. Props, I've done a lot of prop testing. And I just got a GemFan sponsorship, I think, right after making an order with HQ. But you know what? I like HQ props. I like some GenFan props. GenFan proxies, they're my favorite 5-inch props. But we're going to the races, so MCK left GemFan, went to HQ, and I got the MCK racing props. I've also noticed even the different materials, like the material of the HQ props. It's kind of like the material of the smaller ones. And sometimes just getting a different color makes a difference in the way that the material is made. And like this material bends more than, for instance, this material. This is kind of like harder and it cracks, whereas this doesn't crack. It kind of bends and gets scuffed up. So just like testing all these things. But I do have to say, the moment I put the proxy props on these, I like it made a big difference in the flight performance. So I really like the GemFan proxy props. But now we're going to the races, and we're gonna see, like, is a racing prop that different from this prop? Like, I don't know. Like, we'll test and find and see like what our favorites are. We got some bi-blade 4 inches. We got some tri-blade 4 inches. We're gonna be diving more into the 4 inches, and then we got some 2.5s. So we're gonna be making some like 2.5-inch little like freestyle trainers. I just made, I think, like my first $1,300 from sales, and it basically went to an order of motors, an order of props, an order of batteries, and there goes all my money. $1,300 spent in a day just to kind of like get ready for nationals and have stuff to test. What you have to understand, Mama, is that no. So before, whenever I made...
You said you didn't need to buy anything, that you had enough to like...
Exactly. So like, for instance, before, if I wanted to buy something from China, I had to spend, let's say, $500 American dollars to buy motors. And do I have American money? No, I have Canadian money. So that would be like 800 Canadian dollars to buy the supplies. But now what happens is people pay me in American money, and I save it all in my PayPal. So my PayPal then had about $1,300, and then I was able to buy all the supplies with that money, so I didn't have to spend any of my own money anymore.
But like, do you even need this stuff?
Yes.
Like, there's no space.
So the more money that I make, the more stuff I can buy so that I can sell more and make more.
There is no space for this. And are people even buying it?
Yes.
Are they?
Yes.
You're lying.
Well, I wouldn't have that $1,300 if people weren't buying stuff. And I'm making the video to say thank you to people so that I can continue being like the Mr. Beast of FPV. Or it's like I take everything from the FPV, I put it back into the FPV, and then we build a FPV empire.
You're not getting it. It's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business, is it?
And you get to be the proud wife.
It's not even funny.
What about me? I'm the one who's always in all of the videos.
Oh, wow.
I'm the empire.
You're the empire.
Says Mama, says until I get to rule.
You get to rule the FPV empire? The FPV princess?
She doesn't even like FPV.
Yeah, that's true. And when I go to races, like I don't go to races to win. I go to have fun and to test stuff because my flight style, the way that I do things, I carry my bag with a couple packs, and if I can do a couple packs every few days, I'm happy. I'm not pushing, I'm trying to be safe. I'm trying to fly safely. Like risky or exciting, but not actually risking breaking anything because I don't want to hurt anyone or do something dumb in the middle of the city, right? But when races come, that's kind of like, I look at racing time as testing time. Like, okay, I want to test these props. I want to test these motors. I want to test these frames. And racing to me is the ultimate time to just be able to find out what products are the best, what is solid when you're pushing it to the max. Plus, racing makes you a better freestyle pilot, and it's fun. And I think a lot of people ruin it for themselves because of being maybe too competitive. And there's nothing wrong with being competitive, but be competitive with yourself. Like if you get a bit better, then that's great. If you did your best and you had fun, like lots of the time the races, let's say, are like $30 and you go race all day for $30, like that $30 was worth having fun all day, right? Like you'd spend that in a bar easily. So I think lots of us need to kind of like just get over yourself. Like go, do terrible. It's fine. It doesn't have to ever like be a blow to your ego or anything. Just meet people. Find someone else that's just as bad as you and then compete with them. Like there's this guy, Mattias. He's got a couple drones off me and he started like a year ago and he's beating me at the races. So like when I go to the races, all I want to do is do better than Mattias. And that's fun, right? And it's not about beating him. It's just about he beats me. So, but it's fun. There's that, you pick someone that you can compete with a little bit, and then have a bit more fun. Anyways, hi, Mama. Guess what I did?
Nothing. By the looks of it.
Oh,
I literally
Mama.
gave you a list.
Where?
She said she showed it to you.
I did.
She gave me a list of things I was supposed to do. Yeah.
All day. Half a day. And what did you do?
I went to work, Mama.
Yeah, at 3 o'clock, Matt.
And I spent time with baby.
Go!
It's always an excuse.
Mama, I did
Not what you're
highlights.
supposed
No,
to
I do want to do, but we got to go to your
Mama,
parents.
I
So.
did my highlights.
Baby,
I did my
I put some highlights in her hair.
you got highlights?
Yeah, it's a little natural, like peekaboos.
Let's see.
Yeah, show her.
You got highlights, Bubba? Let's see. Did Daddy put blonde in again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Can I have some gum?
Blonde's my favorite, Bubba.
I'm
Very
gonna
pretty. See, those are beautiful.
You
You say thank you to Daddy? Yeah. Those look really
Did
nice.
you get
Oh,
something?
wow, Mama was nice.
Yourselves?
She said something nice.
You gotta go to Papa. and
Wow, history has been made.
Mama. Those are nice. Yes. What kind of color is that?
It's just a high lift. I had some left over from Demera, so I want to try it. There's no bleach. It's not
That's
bleach.
what I prefer because
It's not
it's
bleach.
so
We
thin.
do all sorts of different things.
Calm down.
Little princess.
Yeah, next weekend, not this one, the one after. We got the Nationals and we're excited. And yeah, I just want to thank you and just tell you, you know, when you support me, you're not helping me get rich or anything. You're just helping me progress and make things like more fun for me and more fun for you. And everything that like I learn and stuff, I share with you. And I can now provide you with my favorite props. These are my favorite 3.5 inch props. We're gonna be getting some 3D 3.5 inch props off of GenFan 2, which like I asked them for a long time ago.
It's too hot.
Yeah,
So Matthew, you did nothing.
Oh, I
You
was
didn't clean anything. You didn't feed anything.
I unboxed my propellers.
Like, come on. It's not funny.
I missed you too, babe.
It's not funny.
You know, me and Mom have been getting along very well
Well,
lately.
we're about to not get along if you don't do what the heck you're supposed to do.
You got to keep things exciting, though. You know,
Not
if you
funny.
do what they want all the time, they don't appreciate it.
Don't
So
do half of what I want any of the time.
that's what I believe. I believe
Thank you.
to
Another
80-20, right? 80-20. You do the 80% and you get treated as if you did nothing. You do the 20% and they're always just a little bit happy.
No, Dad,
Matt,
Yeah.
you're not coming.
What do you
You're
mean?
gonna stay and clean.
No.
Yes.
No, I'm coming.
No.
I'm coming.
You're not allowed to come.
I'm coming.
You can come after you clean.
Nope.